Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to update bitmaps in also. Well, there is basically too many ways to update bitmaps. One of them, which is like every once in a while also updates itself. So when it updates itself, you will have new bitmaps in this in your playlist. How can you check if there is any update? You click on also and then options, and from here we search for update, and here you can release stream, you can make it beta, cutting edge, or choose whatever you want. And here you can see if your also is up to the date. If not, you will have like a button in here to update it. Otherwise, if you want to update your bitmaps or you have to add new bitmaps to your list, all you gotta do is go to from here like that. Let me just open the browser, and as you can see here, I have my browser opened. You can use Opera or Google Chrome or whatever you want, and then click in here, write also, and from here you choose the first website that shows up, also.ppy.sh, and you click on the first one. Make sure guys that you are connected with your account. If not, you can't download any bitmaps. And then you can come to here, click on bitmaps, and type the song that you want. For example, me, I love let's see, Bleach, the anime Bleach. So from here I can see all the music about Bleach and the OSTs on the openings. For example, let's use this one and click on it. After doing so, you have this option which is download and also direct. What's the difference between those? This one is will download it on your PC, and then you will have to drag it and import it to your also, but this one will directly, without even downloading it on your PC, it will go directly to your also bitmaps. So yeah, that was the tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.